In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Inspector panel in Wix Studio. This powerful tool allows web designers and developers to finely tune their website elements, providing more control over both aesthetics and function without needing to dive into complex code. Let's get started. First, navigate to Wix Studio. This can typically be accessed from your usual Wix platform. It's important to have the right project open, as this will ensure you're working with the correct website you intend to modify. Once you've landed on the dashboard, you'll see numerous panels and tools, part of Wix's user-friendly interface designed to make web design as seamless as possible. Next, you're going to locate and click on the Inspector button. If you're new to Wix, you might wonder what this does. And essentially, the Inspector panel opens up a whole array of options dedicated to customizing elements on your site. It provides a detailed breakdown, enabling you to modify the finer details of any component, much like using a magnifying glass to see what adjustments can be made at the micro level. Once in the Inspector panel, you'll notice several categories lined up for you to dive into different aspects of design. Click on Background. Here you can change the background color, image, or video of your elements. It's a fantastic way to set the mood and tone of your website, evoking just the right emotional response from your viewers. Play around with colors to see how they work with your text and overall design theme. Now, click on Layout. This section is all about adjustment of size and positioning, helping you structure your website's elements precisely how you want them. Whether it's aligning components to get that perfect symmetry or adjusting spacing to reduce clutter, the layout option gives you the flexibility you need to make your site aesthetically appealing. The next area to visit is Cursor. Within this option, you're free to explore how the user interacts with elements using their cursor. Customizing the cursor can be a unique way to add personality to your site or increase usability by making interactive elements more noticeable. Following that, check out Animation and Effects. This is where creativity can really shine. Here you can add dynamic animations to elements, which can make the website experience interactive and engaging. Subtle animations can breathe life into a static design, guiding users through the narrative you wish to present. Lastly, don't miss out on CMS connections. Especially useful for those working with dynamic content, this connects your design elements to a variety of data sources, enabling dynamic page population. This ensures that your site not only looks good, but also functions efficiently and effectively displays your content as intended. I hope this guide helps you navigate the Inspector panel in Wix Studio with confidence. With these tools at your disposal, you can elevate your website designs to a professional level, ensuring they not only meet visual standards, but also provide an exceptional user experience. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!